Hi, I'm Danny from rcats.com. Thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos. So today we're going to talk about how to spot a Dodge or a Chrysler unit. Here we have one of each. And they also make Jeep. Some people tend to get confused thinking they're different companies. The parent company is Chrysler. So here, as you can see, we have a DPF unit. Now, DPF units are very important that you send us the serial numbers that are stamped on these DPF units because not all DPF units have value. As you can see here, this serial number is already exposed and it should be a Chrysler logo somewhere around here. Now, if you're not certain on what kind of unit you have, you might have to use a Dremel. If the numbers aren't exposed, using the Dremel will help you reveal the numbers just like we did on this unit here. We're gonna reveal some numbers on this Chrysler unit so you can see what we mean. This Chrysler unit does have the Pentastar, which is the Chrysler emblem. And you can't really see it, but I will reveal it now. Here's a Pentastar with 4 numbers, 1392. Now that is the actual serial number that we require to give you the best price on this unit. So if you see a Pentastar and a serial number next to it, send us the numbers, send us a picture via text or email, and our team will take care of the rest. We'll get you the best quote that we can on that given day, given the market conditions. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know, and our team will help you out as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.